Welcome to this video overview of working with imports in SureTax. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to import files and track files that were previously imported. After logging into SureTax and selecting the business you want to work with, you can reach the import screen through the menu. The import screen has a list of most recent imports performed, and a drop-down list at the top where you can select what type of item you'd like to import. You can import most of these items on other screens if you choose, but this screen unifies them all in one place. Each of these items is imported in a similar way, but each with its own set of specifications. Today we'll be adding a spreadsheet of SKUs. Selecting SKUs from the list opens a wizard that guides you through the import. We're at step 1, setting up the file for import. The necessary column headers are listed here, and there's an option to download a template if you wish. The template includes all possible headers for a SKU spreadsheet, both the required and optional entries. But today I have a file already prepared for import, so let's use it. Step 2 is selecting the file, and choosing whether I want to receive a notification email when the import is complete. I'm pretty sure this import won't take long, so I'll deselect that. The file format must be CSV, XLSX, or XLS. I have a CSV file and have dragged and dropped it into the upload box. Now we're ready for the next step. Step 3 is configuring the import file. In the column on the right we have the SKU mappings, with an asterisk next to each required field. The left two columns display the headers in the source file, the file that I uploaded, and the values in the first row for those headers. So if I want to change the mapping so that the values for the headings in my file correspond to different fields for a SKU in SureTax, I can do that here. However, since I used a template to create my SKU file, I have no mappings that need to be adjusted, and can proceed to the final step. Clicking next on this screen is what triggers the file to be uploaded for import, so let's go ahead and do that. Step 4 is reviewing the import summary. My import was successful, so no SKUs appear in the list under Not Imported. Under Imported, we can see the 2 SKUs that I just added. Let's click Finish and return to the import screen. It looks like I have notifications waiting for me, so let's have a look at those. Though I opted against receiving an email notification, I do still receive a notification here confirming that the SKU import was successful as of 12:52 p.m. I can view the summary to see further details, or dismiss the notification. For now, I'll just close the window. As I mentioned before, this screen also contains information for all recent imports. I can click any import in the list, and it takes me to the import summary for that entry. This is another case in which the import was successful. And the Imported tab lets me see the headers and values that were used in that file. As mentioned before, you can import many types of files here in addition to SKUs, and they will be added to the history below. Each import process has its own wizard to walk you through the steps of creating the file, providing a template if one is available, adjusting the mappings if necessary, selecting the file to import, choosing how to be notified, and reviewing the summary of the import. And that is where our tutorial comes to a close. I hope this overview has familiarized you with the import process, so that you feel comfortable importing any files that you need to in SureTax. Thanks for watching our video on managing imports in SureTax.